Kubor baman kasngi, awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni.
$89.20 lakhs. Next. I request every
goes down to the history not only of Wajaja, not only of West and East Jaintia Hills, but it should also be entered in the history of Meghalaya.
The pie chaining the Pyllait department. EM Baha in York at the Pyllait Minister Prathamic is named Councillor Prestone. Neighbor Okana be the maximum budget, the maximum scheme. Now continue to be there. Now, Sarong Okana be your voice that is going to be young, you know, Mekhalia. Neighbor, in terms of road infrastructure, Mekhalia is the maximum.
Dr. Vijay Kumar, I'd just like to inform you that everyone here know your name. They might not know your face, but everyone know you very well because you are the backbone for all this development. Because they have been hearing from us. For anything they come to us, just after they share their problem, the next thing will say, let us call Vijay.
Banyo iki kubor baman kasngi, subhawan subscribe ika channel unang yalam news. Kumle shibu.